Hello everyone, and welcome back to the show. I am Sarah, and today... Leo? You are late. We are already recording.
I am so sorry, Sarah. I am so sorry, listeners. The outside, oh my God. The weather is, very drama today.
Very drama?
Yes. I walked from the station. The rain was, big. Like, super big rain. And the wind was angry. My umbrella broke. Look at me, I am, very water.
Okay, Leo, take a breath. Put your headphones on.
Okay, I am ready. But seriously, the sky is black. I think a big storm is coming. Can we talk about this? I don't know how to explain it to the security guard downstairs. He said something, and I just said, yes, big water. He looked at me like I was crazy.
Actually, Leo, this is perfect. You just gave us our topic for today. Stop apologizing. We are going to fix your big water English right now.
Really? We are doing a weather episode?
Yes. Because what you just said, big rain and very water, is exactly why learners fail at small talk. Weather is the #1 conversation starter in the world. If you can master this, you can talk to anyone. Are you ready to dry off and learn?
I am ready. Let's do it.
Okay, listeners, let's analyze what Leo just said when he ran into the studio. Leo, you said, the rain was big.
Yes, it was big.
In English, size doesn't matter for rain. We talk about weight and intensity. We never say big rain. We say heavy rain. Think of the rain falling like heavy rocks.
Ah, heavy. Like a heavy box.
Exactly. It hits you hard. So, it is raining heavily. Next, you said, I am very water. Please, never say that again. You are not a swimming pool. When your clothes are full of water, you say, I am soaking wet, or I am drenched.
Drenched. That sounds strong.
It is. Soaking means the water has gone through your clothes to your skin. And finally, you said the wind was angry. That is poetic, but in casual conversation, we say the wind is howling or it is blustery.
Blustery.
Yes. That means the wind is blowing in strong, sudden gusts. It pushes you around.
That is exactly what happened. The wind pushed me into the door.
See? Vocabulary changes everything. Now, let's turn this into a proper drill. I want everyone listening to practice with Leo. We are going to build your weather database so you never have to say big rain again. We will use the shadowing technique.
I am ready.
Category 1, rain. If it is raining so hard you can't see, we say pouring. Listen and repeat, it is absolutely.
It is absolutely.
Pouring down.
Pouring down.
Full sentence, it is absolutely pouring down.
It is absolutely pouring down.
Now, let's fix your wet problem. Listen, I got caught in the rain.
I got caught in the rain.
And now I am soaked.
And now I am soaked.
Full sentence, I got caught in the rain and now I am soaked.
I got caught in the rain and now I am soaked.
What if the rain is light, but annoying? We call that spitting or drizzling. Listen, it is only.
It is only.
Spitting a little bit.
Spitting a little bit.
Full sentence, it is only spitting a little bit.
It is only spitting a little bit.
Category 2, cold. Since you are shivering in the studio, let's learn this. We don't just say very cold. We say freezing. Listen, it is freezing.
It is freezing.
Out there today.
Out there today.
Full sentence, it is freezing out there today.
It is freezing out there today.
If you can see your breath, we say nippy. It is a fun, casual word. Listen, it is a bit nippy.
It is a bit nippy.
This morning.
This morning.
Full sentence, it is a bit nippy this morning.
It is a bit nippy this morning.
Category 3, hot. Imagine it is summer. The sun is aggressive. We say boiling. Like water on a stove. Listen, I am.
I am.
Boiling in here.
Boiling in here.
Full sentence, I am boiling in here.
I am boiling in here.
If it is hot and wet, making you sweat immediately. That is humid or muggy. Listen, it is so muggy.
It is so muggy.
I can barely breathe.
I can barely breathe.
Full sentence, it is so muggy I can barely breathe.
It is so muggy I can barely breathe.
Category 4, predictions. You looked at the sky earlier. Let's make you sound like a pro. Listen, it looks like.
It looks like.
The clouds are lifting.
The clouds are lifting.
Full sentence, it looks like the clouds are lifting.
It looks like the clouds are lifting.
Or, if the sky is gray and heavy, like today. Listen, it looks like.
It looks like.
It is going to rain.
It is going to rain.
Any minute now.
Any minute now.
Full sentence, it looks like it is going to rain any minute now.
It looks like it is going to rain any minute now.
Category 5, agreement. This is the key to friendship. When someone complains about the weather, you join them. Listen, I know.
I know.
It is miserable, isn't it?
It is miserable, isn't it?
Full sentence, I know, it is miserable, isn't it?
I know, it is miserable, isn't it?
Or you can express hope. Listen, hopefully.
Hopefully.
It will clear up soon.
It will clear up soon.
Full sentence, hopefully it will clear up soon.
Hopefully it will clear up soon.
Okay Leo, one more advanced one. For when the weather changes constantly. Listen, you never know.
You never know.
What to expect.
What to expect.
With this weather.
With this weather.
Full sentence, you never know what to expect with this weather.
You never know what to expect with this weather.
Great job. You are sounding much more natural. Your pronunciation of miserable was perfect.
Thanks, Sarah. I feel like I have more weapons now. Not just big and small.
Exactly. Now, let's do a simulation. I want you to imagine we are not in the studio. Imagine we are stuck in an elevator. It is a hot summer day. I am a stranger. You want to break the awkward silence. Action.
Phew. It is stifling in here, isn't it?
Oh, definitely. The air conditioning must be broken. It feels like an oven.
Tell me about it. Outside is even worse. It is a real scorcher today. My weather app says it is 35 degrees.
Wow. I am not looking forward to walking to my car. It is just so humid too.
Yeah, it is really sticky. But, it looks like some dark clouds are coming in over there.
Oh really?
Yeah. Hopefully, it will rain and cool things down a bit.
Fingers crossed. A good storm might clear the air.
Exactly. Well, this is my floor. Stay cool.
You too. And? Scene. Leo, that was excellent.
Really?
Yes. You used stifling, scorcher, humid, and clear the air. You sounded completely comfortable.
It is funny. When I have the vocabulary, I don't feel panic. I just look for the word in my head and use it.
That is the secret. Small talk is just a game of matching words to feelings. Listeners, did you practice with us?
Yes, please tell us in the comments. And don't walk in the rain without a good umbrella like me. I am still a little bit damp.
We will get you a towel, Leo. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Keep shadowing, keep practicing, and don't let the weather stop you from speaking English.
See you next time. Bye.